Now, as a responsible corporate citizen, we are strongly committed to using our technologies to bring more smiles and to help people tackle the world's most pressing issues. As a part of global mission to create a better life for all, we launched the LG Life's Good Award program to recognize and support our fellow warm-hearted innovators. We asked for ideas that will make life better for people and for the planet. A total of 334 teams from 61 nations have responded. And today, with my deepest thanks to each of them, I am thrilled to present 4 finalists whose incredible innovations show what we mean by life's good.
Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can change the world. Countless souls are working to find solutions to make a better life for all and for our planet. We want to recognize 4 teams in our Life's Good Award.
Salutem may have the solution for Green Earth. They want to sustain the convenience of plastic while eliminating the waste. Their bioplastic dissolves and degrades in water, leaving almost no trace behind.
I want to eliminate plastic waste for good.
DOT Incorporated dreams of an equal world. They believe the visually impaired have the right to see what we see. Their portable device, 20 times smaller and 10 times lighter than the legacy devices, gives the visually impaired unprecedented access to visual information, anytime and anywhere.
This will allow the visually impaired to reconnect with their families and with society.
Day One Lab is a group of people who are obsessed with plastic. They want to completely change our perception of plastic. Their plastic alternative is fabricated from natural materials, and it will return to nature after its life as a product.
Let's begin day 1 of World Without Plastics.
Nona Technologies has a new take on desalination. They want to provide fresh water on demand for all. Their portable device can make seawater drinkable.
We hope to make a difference for the people in the harshest environments.
For our planet and our people, Life's Good Award.